Alright, let's go. I won't be as talkative with this plane because it always... one thing I didn't check. Those are good. Yeah, okay.
Braking, release.
Alright. Oh yeah, wind's way better now. Okay, cool.
Timer cleared.
No, I don't care if you do, it's just I can't talk like that much when I fly this. I'm like on edge the whole time. Alright. Take it off.
Gear up.
Oh my god, he talks so much. He talks so damn much. Alright, it's always weird until I take off. But see how the crosswind makes it bounce?
Yeah.
It's a lot more predictable with this fan because it moves the CG further
Time
forward.
remaining 2 minutes.
I always get super nervous until I'm flying it.
Yeah.
Once I'm flying it, I'm fine, but it's just that whole build-up to flying it. It is. And the wind is better now, so it's going to be easier. It's going to be cross still, though.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah. I didn't have to balance this either, it was already balanced.
Time remaining 41
Okay,
seconds.
I gotta start setting up for landing just to be safe. Let's get the gear down on this pass.
Gear down. 30 seconds.
Woohoo, they're all down! Okay. Alright, good, I feel better now.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Hard to see.
Braking.
Beautiful.
Whew! No flaps on that.
Right.
It's all, you know, the build up to flying, it's always the worst. Then I fly it. I've flown it at night too. Literally at night.
That's when you have the right piece.
Yeah, I flew it with Brandon at PCC.